Morning, my friends, on this Sunday morning. I'm getting to the Arizona-Nevada border over here on 93 heading north from Kingman. Gonna pass by Las Vegas again over there, heading north towards Portland, Oregon. Going to Oregon to drop those Porsches. I'm gonna Hoover Dam area, Hoover Dam. Gonna pass by Hoover Dam. You guys have a good Sunday over there. God bless you guys. Hoover Dam is, when I drive by, usually be on the right. You can barely see it, but I know it's here. You see the signs, and you can actually see it, but just for a little bit. I didn't see the signs yet though. A couple miles up north before Las Vegas. Have a nice day. It's like a crack and a rock here. I think the water goes from here all the way to Kingman, Arizona. It's a crack here, but it's not in yet actually. I think it's right there, see? That's the Hoover Dam.
Changing time zone. Crossing border.
This is where they made the video of the transformer, and they fight up in the Hoover Dam. Welcome to Nevada. Have a nice day.